下次要提醒我一下啊，那个助教，我要是忘记录影的话，提醒我一下。Okay, so for the data visualization, we have talked about how to draw histogram, 直方图. Okay, so later now I'm like to introduce how to draw the pie 圆饼图 for the data, especially for the two types, for engaged and not engaged. So, okay, so we use the pivot table result for engagement by offer type DF and to draw the plot. Now, what is the kind? The type for the plot, we use pi. And we specify the size for our diagram. 15 across 7. 15, 7. Okay, the start angle. So the pi is start from this position, this way. And 90 degree, it will go to 9 degrees from here. Supply true. Lambda, so we use the proportion for each part. Okay, so you can copy the source code here to change with start angle 0. So you may find the angle is start from this position. 180 start from this position. If you use 270, it will use this position to start. Right? On this one, 这边从这里一直到这里 270 degree 270度。好，这个就不要了，删掉了哈，有一个就好了。Okay, so later let me introduce another pivot table for sales channel. So we decide to use the index column for sales channel. So there are 4 sales channels. The first one is agent. The second channel is from branch. 他们的分公司 Agent is the agent, 代理商啊，代理人。Also, they can renew their car insurance by call center, 客服中心. Also came from website. Okay, so with this pivot table instruction, you can see the sales channels pivot table against with the engaged status. Okay, so we draw the diagram for engaged by sales channel. So with from this diagram, you can see most the renew customers, they use the agent channel to renew their car insurance. A few of the customers are using website. Why? That's my question. Why? In my opinion, I will suppose most their client or their customer, they will renew their car insurance by website. Why they use agent instead? 好，那我们来看一下回答 ，because this is my question for online class. So because an agent can assist them in doing it, okay, since making it more convenient and easier. Okay, so through the insurance agent is much easier and convenient for the customers to renew their car insurance. 好，还有没有人回答？
老师要记得刷新啊。
老师他们有些要对
刷新一下。终于有人跟我互动了，很好。Okay, so I refresh. Okay. Okay, 就一样了哈 ，agent。第几组？第六组。好，这个国俊你是第几组？把它写一下。OK。国俊哈，你看看是第几组的？一组只要回答一个就好了。有没有人有不一样的意见 ？Is anyone have different opinions from those two？ 啊，这两个不一样的想法，或者是不一样的解释的。意涵。Okay, face-to-face convenience are more complete than information provided by other media. Okay, and questions can be answered or correct immediately. So more people choose agent. Okay, 很好。好，有人讲到安全了哈。Okay, shopping with an agent is more secure. 好，有没有人有不同的想法的？
可以用讲的就好了吗？
什么？
可以用讲的就好了吗？不要什么
东西？不用怎么样？
可以用讲的就好了吗？不要。
你说不要 key in 哦。好，这大概这几组的回答了哈。Okay, the answers for all teams. Okay, so let me go back to our call lab. Okay, so you may explain so they are more convenience or maybe more secure through agents. But anyway, you guys didn't know what is the data which these data are collected. What date, what years. So this data may be collected more than maybe in my opinion, is more than 15 years before. 所以这个资料大概是15年前的资料。Okay, it's provided by IBM. So this data is maybe 15 years before. 所以15年前的资料呢 ，so it makes sense. So all the customers they using agents to renew their car insurance. But if the data set from maybe from this year or maybe from last year, so the situation may be different. Maybe the website should be much higher than maybe from branch, maybe from agent. 好，那我这边解释一下哈，因为这个资料呢，其实它大概是15年前的资料啊，所以说我们做资料分析的时候，有时候就是有非常多的因素要去考虑啊。那刚才这个资料老师并没有做，前面并没有去做解释了啊。但是这个资料大概15年前的资料，所以15年前你想想看，大家可能在这个 website 在做的时候还没有很风行啊，但是绝大部分都还是用这个传统的这个保险经纪人去 renew their car insurance. Okay, so my key point is, so when we are analyzing a data, so you have to realize you to pay more attention about the data. Okay, so different situation will come from will have a different result for analyze, different explanations. 好，那这边都可以哈，你们的解释都很正确，都可以好。Okay, so let us find the groups account. Okay, the engaged, the numbers for the sales channel. Engaged and not engaged. Okay, so we also draw the diagram for the sales channels with two situations, not engaged and engaged. Okay, so you may find the agents is much more than the website. For the not engaged, it's almost the same. 一样啊，在这个没有续约的跟有续约的啊，都是在 agent 的部分是比较多的。Okay, so we have to draw a box plot 和虚图 for total print 啊，总销售额 for each state for each customer. Okay, so let me explain the diagram we just generate. 0 for not engaged, 0 is engaged. So with this diagram, you may say with total claim amount, okay, the average for total claim amount is a little bit higher than not engaged. 这边来看大概差不多高了一点点 not too much higher than not engaged. Okay, so you can see the total claim amount for engaged, the average is more than $400 US. For not engaged, those the average is less than 400. So you can see we use the box plot. Okay, so you just change the diagram, the geography you want to draw. So we have introduced histogram, pie, and box plot. Okay, so you can show the outlier. You can see the outlier. What is the outlier? The value is bigger than 2 standard deviations. 就是这个值是超过2个标准差以外的。So we define as outlier. Okay. So with this one, we didn't show the outlier both. So you can see the minima and the maximum. So the range of not showing outlier, but you can show all the data with outliers. Okay, so you can see the difference between these 2 diagrams with outlier and without outliers. Outlier 就是离群值。Okay, so you can exercise with different maybe income distributions. Okay, so you can take a look at. Okay, 好，那接下来你们就这边练习一下。Okay, so for our final part, I will talk about the regression analysis with continuous variables, with object variables, 2 status, and altogether 3 styles for regression analysis. So 等一下呢，我会探讨用连续变数来去做拟合的回归模型，用类别型变数做的回归模型，或者是把2个又是连续又是类别型在一起的回归模型。Okay, that's for our final part for today's course. 好，我们就先休息一下，在刚才这边就各位练习一下咯，好不好？练习个15分钟啊。那我们接下来大概请各位8点钟回来啊，大概15分钟。好，我们继续最后一个部分。